Hey folks, Tuesday morning, 6 a.m. We're rolling. Fairly quiet session overnight. Not a lot shaken. Had some weak manufacturing data at the close yesterday, or I should say yesterday, and saw a weaker dollar as a result. Dollar starting to perk back up this morning heading into the open. So seeing some strength against the euro, seeing some strength against the yen, strength against the pound. Really, the focus now, all the traders are eyes pointed towards the jobs report on Friday. So we've got the big April jobs report, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate coming out Friday morning. Bit of a holding pattern until then. Where are we seeing some moves? Oil up over $1 this morning. Broke through $65 a barrel in WTI. Speaking of oil, today's the big day. Tuesday, May 4th, gold and oil boot camp. Free virtual event. You still got time. Go sign up today. All day event. Handful of different sessions around how to trade gold and oil at Nadex. Short-term opportunities. Making yourself a better trader. All right, folks, let's get in there today. Let's have a little bit of fun. Let's trade some price action. Get into that educational event. It's free, again. And I'll see you folks tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.